Rich here, and I have the best gift for you. It is so easy and it is so beautiful, and of course it involves plants. What we have are these terrarium kits in the store that are the perfect gift because it has everything included. This one is actually a hanging globe terrarium, and I have to say I have these at home and I hang them in my window, and they are so beautiful and really easy maintenance. This terrarium comes with this gorgeous globe that you can hang, and it includes all of the materials plus 3 plants. And in here I've put 3 gorgeous succulents because succulents are so easy to maintain and they don't want a lid on them, so a perfect open terrarium like this is great for them. For caring for the succulents, all you have to do is mist them occasionally. I promise. That's it. So easy. But I have another container here. This is another terrarium. This is going to be more of a tabletop terrarium. And I did choose some plants for these. I didn't choose succulents for this container. I choose more like fern-like plants because I am going to put a lid on this. And these are plants that need more moisture, unlike the succulents that need very little moisture and have that open container. I'm going to go through some of the layers. It's so simple. Some of you must have done this at home before. If you haven't, this is a great way to get started into gardening. Also, if you have a really small apartment and you just really want to have some life in your apartment, a terrarium is a perfect gift for that person. Okay, I'm going to start with these hydrostones. They're perfect for drainage and they're best on the bottom layer. And they look pretty. It's really nice to have the layers in a terrarium. Then I have an all-natural moss here. You guys, you can use any color moss if you really wanted to, but this one comes with this moss, and this is all natural and really looks organic and very pretty. That's going to be my next layer, right on top of the hydrostones, and that'll also help kind of absorb some of the moisture and make it look pretty to boot. So that is our moss layer, simple. And then the final step is going to be the soil. And the soil that comes with it is perfect because it is not a really heavy soil. It has some nutrients in it, but it's great for drainage. And I'm going to plant this up, make a beautiful terrarium using these little terrarium-sized plants that come with a kit. So remember, time is of the essence. If you need a quick present, come in, get our terrarium kit, the 3 plants, and you have a beautiful gift to give somebody. Stick with me while I put this together and make it look really pretty.